battle leader.
I'm Gonzalo Pintas Nicole and I'm the assistant leader.
I'm Luke Periferial, the manager.
I'm Pedro Estuverde, the assistant manager.
I'm Samantha Gicovilla, business manager.
Here we go!
So, the assigned topic for our group 1, is all about the types of intermolecular forces. But before we begin about the types, first, what is intermolecular forces? When we say intermolecular forces, inter or between, so we meant forces between molecules. So that is what we meant when we say intermolecular forces. So let's begin to our discussion. The three types of intermolecular forces are London dispersion forces, dipole-dipole interaction, and hydrogen bonding. My members will discuss each and they will give examples in each forces.
London dispersion forces. London dispersion forces are weak, temporary attractive forces that occur between all atoms and molecules, arising from instantaneous fluctuation in their electron distribution. Ang London dispersion forces ay isang uri ng intermolecular force o puwersang nangyayari sa pagitan ng mga molekula. Ito ang pinakamahina sa lahat ng uri ng puwersang intermolecular, ngunit palaging naroon sa lahat ng uri ng atomo at molekula, kahit pa ang mga ito ay non-polar.
Dipole forces. These forces occur between polar molecules that have permanent dipoles. The positive end of the one polar molecules is attracted to the negative end of adjacent polar molecules. In example, hydrogen chloride, chlorine, is more electronegative than hydrogen, so its full dash share electrons closer to itself, giving it a partial negative charge and leaving the hydrogen with a partial positive charge. This permanent dipole leads to attractive forces between adjacent hydrogen chloride molecules.
Hydrogen. Ang hydrogen po ay isang special na uri po ng dipole-dipole attraction sa pamamagitan ng mga molekula at sa ito rin po ay isang tunay na chemical na ng buno.
Real-life example of London dispersion forces. Why some liquids are sticky or viscous? London dispersion forces contributes to the stickiness and viscosity of liquid like honey, syrup, or oil. These forces create weak attraction between molecules, making it harder for them to flow freely. In everyday, London dispersion forces influence the texture and flow of various liquids from heavy pouring slowly to oil lubricating engines.
So I have here two real-life examples. The first one is water. Ang water ay may polar molecule kung saan ang bahagi nitong hydrogen ay positive at ang oxygen naman ay negative. Dahil dito, ang mga molecule sa tubig ay maaakit sa isa't isa sa pamamagitan ng dipole-dipole process. The second one is adhesive. Ito yung mga tapes, glue, tsaka mga band-aids. Ang mga ito ay umaasa sa dipole-dipole forces upang dumikit ang mga polar molecules sa materials ng pandikit ay naaakit sa mga polarized o polar na mga kinakapitan nito. So, ang dipole-dipole forces daw po is ito lang po, between lang po siya ng negative at positive.
And the last is the real-life example of the hydrogen bonding. The first thing that came to my mind is yung pagkatunaw ng sugar o pagka-dissolve ng sugar sa water. Kasi yung sugar may molecules and yung water may molecules. So, may interaction, may intermolecular forces na nangyayari. So, kung mapapansin natin, napakadaling matunaw nung sugar sa tubig kasi yung molecules na both ay mabilis sumama yung hydrogen sa both molecules of water at saka ng sugar. So, we are done with our discussion with the three types of the intermolecular forces. Those are the London dispersion forces, dipole-dipole forces, and the hydrogen forces. We quick review lang natin, no? London dispersion forces, ito yung weakest sa lahat sa tatlong intermolecular forces. Present siya in all molecules, both polar and non-polar. At ang sanhi nito is because of the temporary dipoles. While the dipole-dipole forces, ito yung stronger naman siya kay London dispersion. Occur only in polar molecules and caused naman siya by the permanent dipoles. And last is hydrogen bonding, the strongest of them all of the three intermolecular forces. It occurs only when the hydrogen is bonded to nitrogen, oxygen, and chlorine. So those are the three types of intermolecular forces. Na London dispersion forces, dipole-dipole interaction, and hydrogen bonding. So I hope you learned something, guys.
Promise that nobody's gonna love you like me.